Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Open the cover on the plastic case located on the battery. Pull up the fastening latch on the plus terminal to disconnect it. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Unclip the whole of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. Open the plastic guide for the positive terminal cable. To remove the cover of the battery box, pull upwards to unclip it, then towards you to take it off. With a socket wrench, a gimbal, a long extender and a 10mm socket, remove the bolt and take off the battery's fastening plate. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, release the negative terminal and remove it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulb, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the negative terminal back in place, all while holding it full in place, and screw it in place with a socket wrench. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Put the battery cover back on, inclining the cover forward so that it goes in, then push it downwards to lock it in place. Reposition the cable and the guide on the battery tray. Put the battery cover back on, inclining the cover forward so that it goes in, then push it downwards to lock it in place. Reconnect the positive terminal while simply flipping the locking cap downwards. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.